This is a narrated version, Chapter 6, An Introduction to Crime Scene Analysis. Crime Scene Analysis, CSA. Crime Scene Analysis, CSA, is the analytical process of interpreting the specific features of a crime and related crime scenes. It involves an integrated assessment of the forensic evidence, forensic victimology, and crime scene characteristics. CSA may also be used to infer the following: offender, modus operandi, and signature behaviors, evidence of crime scene staging, crime scene motivation, and offender characteristics. CSA involves examining, assessing, and interpreting the findings of at least the following investigative and forensic protocols: crime scene protocols, investigative protocols, medical legal investigative protocols, and forensic victimology. Forensic assessment, equivocal forensic analysis. Equivocal refers to anything that can be interpreted in more than one way or any interpretation that is questionable. An equivocal forensic analysis refers to a review of the entire body of physical evidence in a given case, questioning all related assumptions and conclusions. The purpose: a forensic assessment or equivocal forensic analysis helps preserve the criminal profiler's objectivity by protecting him or her from investigative and forensic assumptions or premature theories. The scientific approach assists the profiler with avoiding any a priori investigative bias, a phenomena which occurs when investigators, detectives, crime scene personnel, or others somehow involved with an investigation come up with theories uninformed by the facts. Inputs. Inputs are the basic items of forensic information that should be reviewed and considered before a competent criminal profile can be rendered. Inputs include the following: crime scene videos, crime scene photos, investigators' reports, crime scene sketches, crime scene evidence logs, and evidence submission forms. Results of forensic analysis: medical examiner and coroner reports, autopsy photos, sexual assault protocol, written and taped statements from witnesses and victims. Results: a forensic assessment or equivocal forensic analysis provides information regarding the strengths and weaknesses of the physical evidence that may or may not establish the evidence relationship to a criminal investigation. The following are behavioral relationships that can be established with competently recognized, documented, collected, analyzed, and reconstructed physical evidence. The corpus delicti, the body of the crime, refers to the essential facts that show crime has taken place. Modus operandi, an offender's habits, techniques, and peculiarities of behavior. Signature behavior, committed to satisfy psychological and emotional needs. Linking the suspect to the victim. Linking a person to a crime. Disproving or supporting a witness's testimony. Identification of a suspect, and providing investigative leads. Threshold assessment, TA. A threshold assessment, TA, is an investigative document that reviews the initial physical evidence of behavior, forensic victimology, and crime scene characteristics for a particular case or a series of related cases in order to provide immediate investigative direction. The following is true regarding a TA. A TA should not include firm conclusions or opinions. It is meant to be an investigative compass or to-do list compiled in any phase of a case. It provides initial observations, concerns, and priorities. It should not be presented as or used for the same purpose as a full criminal profile. The decision to construct a TA should be made only after a basic cost analysis of doing so has been made. There are two main reasons for making a threshold assessment of a case. Number one, investigative direction. A TA directs investigators to gather the type of information that will assist in creating a full profile and that will provide additional grist for lead, theories, opinions apart from the profiling effort. Number two, public safety. In cases where danger is imminent, it may be in the best interest of the affected community to draw up some insights based on the initial and consequently incomplete information. That ends this narrated version of this